Islamabad is the capital and ninth largest city of Pakistan. It is famous for luxurious living standards, safety, and rich greenery. The city has the highest cost of living in Pakistan. Lok Virsa Museum.
It showcases the history and different cultures of Pakistan. It covers a vast area of 60,000 square feet, which makes it the largest museum in Pakistan. It can accommodate up to 3,000 visitors at a time. It has many exhibition halls featuring different cultures in the form of statues, pottery, textile, music, and pictures. Lok Visa Sale Center has books of classical and folk music available for sale. Faisal Mosque.
It is the third largest mosque in the world and major tourist attraction in Pakistan. It is located at the foot of Margila Hills. It's first mosque of its kind without a typical dome structure. It has 8 sides of concrete shell which is surrounded by 4 tall minarets. The main hall of the mosque can accommodate 10,000 worshippers and in total 300,000 worshippers can pray at a time. Lake View Park.
It is an amusement area and wildlife park located at the bank of Rawal Lake. This park contains the third largest bird cage in the world. The park offers a beautiful view of Rawal Lake and it has swimming pool, boating arena, horse riding mobs, fishing area, paintball fields, passenger road trains, motorsports range, and many more things to entertain the tourists.